Transferring money from the Cashapp to Chime is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, following is the indirect method by which you can transfer money from the Cashapp to Chime. So follow along this video in order to see the detailed steps. First step over here is to add your bank account to the Cashapp. Second, you need to initiate withdrawal to the linked bank account. Here, for this, you will see a balance tab on your screen. Tap on it. Now, click on Cash Out. After this, enter the desired amount which you want to withdraw. And then you need to click on Cash Out to withdraw the funds to your linked bank account. Now, last step in this whole process is to transfer money from your linked bank account to Chime. Here, this can only be made possible when the funds are being available to your linked bank account. And this may take up to 5 business days to complete the procedure. So, this is the way you can transfer money from the Cashapp to Chime, and it is pretty straightforward.